you follow my channel, you know that I've installed quite a number of screen protectors over the years, so much so that I did a whole tutorial on how to install one perfectly each time, but I have to say, this one really surprised me.
Holy crap.
In this video, you'll see the entire unboxing contents as well as my start to finish installation of this onto my iPhone 13. It does come in other sizes to fit other phone models, so check out the link in the description. Removing that shrink wrap and pulling the not so easy to remove in one piece cardboard pull tab. But what you get out of the box is the installation kit, which include cleaning wipes, wet and dry wipes, and dust removal stickers. And there are 3 screen protectors in this box, so there are 3 installation kits. But then here's the main differentiator, which is this installing kit frame, and there's already 1 tempered screen protector already installed. The other 2 can be found in this envelope here, in addition to the instructions, which has some pretty questionable English, but don't worry, you can just follow along with this video now as I install this on my iPhone 13. To keep my iPhone scratch-free, I have it lying on a towel here, have all the tools I need right out of the box. First, opening up the installation toolkit, we have the 3 items labeled very clearly 1, 2, 3 in the order that they need to be used. So number 1 is the wet wipe, so I'll go ahead and use that to clean the surface of my screen. And then the second item is the dry microfiber cleaning cloth, which is actually a pretty nice textured one. It's more high quality than some of the other ones I've tested in the past, just to dry off any of that alcohol. And then to remove any residual lint or dust is the dusting sticker. So far, there's nothing particularly new about this screen protector installation, but here comes the novel part. So with this, taking that alignment frame and make sure the top is at the top of your phone, press it down to make sure it wraps around all sides securely, and all you have to do now is pull the tab right there on the bottom with one smooth motion and watch as your screen protector literally installs itself. Now what I'm doing is really using my thumbs to squeeze out any air bubbles, but that was completely unnecessary because all the air bubbles, believe it or not, were already out with that installation. So now all I had to really do is remove the top, and to do so I just removed the frame and then...
Holy crap.
With how many products I've tested over the years, very few have astonished me like this product. I mean, just look at it. The alignment is perfect. There's not a single air bubble to be seen. It covers all of the screen while leaving space on the edges to apply a case on it. And replacing a fresh new screen protector into the installing frame is super easy. Just align the circle and oval there at the top, and then you're back in business for another application. And the whole process with me demoing it slowly on screen took only 3 minutes. And not only was the installation a breeze, but man, the oleophobic film on this tempered glass is super smooth. No problem playing Fruit Ninja, for example. So highly recommend checking out this product. As usual, the link is in the description.